Good morning, students. Today we're continuing our mini lecture series on the nervous system, and we're going to classify neurons in this particular segment. There are three types of neurons. There are sensory neurons, also known as afferent neurons, and these are going to transmit impulses into the central nervous system. Remember, the central nervous system is the brain and the spinal cord. Then we have motor neurons, also known as efferent neurons. And these are going to carry impulses out from the central nervous system out to the effectors. And the effectors would be muscles and glands and organs. And then finally, we have a third classification of neurons are called interneurons. Interneurons are just found within the central nervous system, and they're carrying signals just within the central nervous system. And so there's, trillions of interneurons within the brain and within the spinal cord that are carrying signals within the brain and spinal cord primarily for integration and decision-making and analysis purposes. So again, you have interneurons. Here's an interneuron. And again, you see this is just a neuron, a very short, small neuron within the spinal cord. They're also found within the brain. Here is a sensory neuron. For example, in the eye, we'll have sensory input from the eye coming into the brain. We also see a sensory neuron here, where it's a neuron from carrying messages from the skin. Could be like a pain or a touch or a pressure receptor that then sends an impulse into the central nervous system. That's a sensory neuron. And then finally, here's a motor neuron. And a motor neuron, again, it's a neuron that's carrying information out from the central nervous system out to an effector, such as a muscle. Thank you.